Hi, hello everyone. My name is Hafiz Nauman Akbar. The English speaking community may not know because maybe some of the athletes may end up watching this video. So, this video is actually about an athlete that I used to really respect and follow during my cricketing days. I'm talking about Shane Warne. Shane Warne died suddenly while he was, I think, on a vacation trip or something. This was quite a shocker to me. First, I thought it's a fake news. I started looking up, and when I verified the news, I was like blown away. I was blown away. I'm like, what? How is that? Literally, I'm still in shock. Shane Warne, such a young fella. He's still young. I mean, I know he's 52, but really, for an athlete, that's not old. And he passed away. It's tragic death, tragic loss. However, I have a short message for the athletic community and all people with wealth and money, for everyone. Death of Shane, our brother Shane Warne, reminds me that when you look around, whether it's Michael Jackson, whether it's Hoffman, Hoffman and many, many famous people with money and stature in quite dignified, status in this world, they often end up leaving us way too soon, or we think it's too soon. Everybody has to die, but sometimes they bring it upon themselves. I know Shane's family is requesting privacy, so I'm not going to get into those details, but I think everybody knows what I'm talking about. People of wealth, people of stature, people of dignity, please use your wealth wisely. Enjoy life, but there are legal ways to enjoy life. I'm talking about not legal in terms of legal and illegal in terms of law. No, I'm talking about divinely legal. You have wealth, get married. One wife is not enough, get married with another one. But don't, again, I'm not promoting polygamy here. All I'm saying is that having a wife and then involving yourself, indulging yourself with activities that are not right spiritually will damage us, will damage our lives, will reduce our lives, and accidents will happen then. We all know that. So I just have this humble request to the athletic community and my rich folks who may be using their wealth into activities that are not appropriate, even from a strictly secular standpoint, that families don't want to talk about them. And I will not mention what activities are those. You all know what it is. Find legal ways. I'm talking about spiritually legal ways, and they are. And Islam is one faith who you don't have to practice polygamy. Without practicing polygamy, Islam will offer you so many halal, pure avenues that are respected in the society. Again, I'm not talking about polygamy. I know in most of the world countries, Western countries, polygamy is illegal. Law-wise, don't practice polygamy. I'm not saying practice polygamy, but there's many other legal ways to enjoy life and still be in good spirit and in good spirit with God Almighty. Islam offers that. And I hope this message will reach some hearts, and some hearts will open up after this open-hearted message for my brothers and sisters in the athletic community. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.